So hi guys, again welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue on the SAT math. So I will solve question 11 to question 14. So let's go straight into the question. So on the question 11, the same thing, just the instruction over here, so you don't need to look at it. And over here is the question about, so a certain book has 250 pages and 21 of these pages have an illustration. If one of the book page is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a page with the illustration? So the probability of selecting a page with a illustration, so you have 21 page that have a illustration. So on the numerators will be 21 and on the denominators will be the total pages of that books. So in this case it will be 250, so the answer is just 21 over 250. So moving on to the question 12. So it gives you this equation that contain the variable of b, c, and d. So the given equation relate the real number b, c, and d where d greater than 5 over 9c. Which equation correctly express b in terms of c and d? So um so it's tell you that you have to express b in terms of c and d. So you have to isolate b in one side and the other side will only contain c and d. So we will do step by step over here. So you go ahead and move 5c over to the right side. So that give you b square equal to 9d minus 5c, and you have to get rid of the square. So you will take a root, so it will give you b equal to plus and minus a square root of 9d minus 5c. So with the thing that we find, the answer that match is d. So moving on to 13, a right circular cylinder has a height of 4 meters and a base with a radius of 18. What is the volume in meters cube of the cylinder? So the volume of the cylinder will equal to the this area of the circle, which is pi radius square and multiply by the h of the cylinder. So you just do basic substitution. Radius you have 18, so 18 square, and then h is 4 meter, and it will give you the answer 1296 pi. So it says D. So moving on to 14. What is the y-intercept of the graph of 3x plus 2y equal to 96 in the xy plane? So I will graph like in the xy plane, right? So I would so it is, this one is not the equation over here, but I just want to remind you that when the question asks for the y-intercept, it's mean the dot over here, and the dot is on the y axis. So on the y-axis, it will have the x value will be equal to 0. So you can see over here, the answer also provide you this information. So x equal to 0 is equivalent to y-intercept. So you go ahead and substitute x equal to 0 to this equation. So you have 0 plus 2y equal to 96, and you just do basic algebra and find y. 96 over 2, and it will equal to 48. So the answer is D. So yeah, that is all about the problem on these pages. Thank you